Assalamu alaikum, here is Akil Mew from dynamicskill.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can remove passwords in Microsoft Excel sheets used in cells or specific fields to not change or edit. I think these call to macros by some adding some Visual Basic programming. Anyhow, I'm not good in Excel and not some knowledge how to remove and how to fix these types of issues. I have a good friend who have multiple sheets, and he added macros and added passwords to not change any fields unless who have a password, and unfortunately he forgot that password. He approached to me and asked me how we can remove these passwords. Please help in this regard. I do some Google and YouTube searches, and fortunately I got a solution. So I'm going to record this video so you guys, maybe this video help you, this method help you in future and your around your friends. And I request you just use for positive manners, not hacking, not someone else sheets or work. Only use for your personal things and personal work. Okay, move on our laptop computer screen, and let's see how we can remove passwords in Excel. Let's go. Okay, here is our sheet who was forgot. Okay, my friend wants to change 2020 to 2021, and as he click on it, you can see the cell or chart that you are trying to change is protected and there for read only, and that's why specifically. And how we can remove, let's see. We need to this developer tab. If you have not, go to file, options, customize ribbon. Okay, and in this part customize ribbon you can see developer tab and check it, and you will be see the developer tab. Okay, when you enable developer tab, click on developer, you will see Visual Basic. Click on it, and click on VBA project revised or whatever you have in your computer Excel. Okay, go to insert module and paste and download the file given in the link below and copy it, download it and copy this whole text, public sub remove underscore password. Okay, copy it, and you don't forget to also subscribe channel where I get this code. Here is the code. I also give it under the screen, underneath the description. I request you, please guys, subscribe that channel too, and of course my YouTube channel must be subscribed too. Thank you. Okay, copy it and go to paste here and close it. Yeah, click on this cursor and close it. Go to the macros. Okay, you have these options, run it. There are multiple okays. You must be click on okay, and then okay, and of course then okay, and that's it. 4 okays you have, accept 4 okays, and then your problem and your password removed, and now as you click on it, you can change it. And that's it. Here is all passwords in all fields are changed. And again, I request you, please use this method only on your own files, not just in purpose of hacking or cracking some others work. Hope you guys enjoy this video and it will be useful to you. I request you share it, like it, and subscribe my channel, and by hitting the bell icon. Thank you. See you next video. Bye bye.